Sinsan Kai Kai Leho, to my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, good day. My name is Joan Marie Frigiliano. I am 43 years old. I am from Bianti Village, Barangay Miranda, Pontevedra, Negros Occidental, Philippines. I am single parents. I am blessed with 3 sons, ages 19, 9, and 7 years old. I graduated a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. My hobbies are cooking, gardening, singing, reading. I am a pet lover. I have 2 dogs and 2 cats. My expertise are cooking, gardening, childcare, and elderly care. I work as a domestic helper in Singapore for 2 years and 3 months, from August 2007 until November 2009. I serve 1 couple, 3 children, ages 7, 4, 1.5 years old, and 1 elderly 65 years old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the children and 1 elderly 65 years old, doing household chores like cooking, cleaning, marketing, ironing, doing laundry, car wash, and many more. I also work as a caregiver in the Philippines for 2 years, from July 2005 until July 2007. I serve 1 couple, 2 children, ages 30 and 25 years old. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of elderly, assisting with daily tasks such as bathing, dressing, grooming, toileting, and do household chores also like cooking, cleaning, marketing, ironing, doing laundry, and car wash, and many more. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and also for the future of my kids. I am willing taking good care of the elderly and the newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, and I wonder what you are, and many more. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, please choose me as your housemate because I am honest, hardworking, obedient. I can work with least supervision, and I promise to be a good housemate, and I promise to prioritize my job after I finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.